So today, we are going to speak about the WordPress MCP server. Basically, an MCP server, another word, the Model Context Protocol server, is a utility that allows AI to talk our application. In the same way that today we are going to allow AI to work with our WordPress instance. Let's start. First, we have to go to this repository, which is maintained by the Automatic, which is the parent company of the WordPress, and they have published this official plugin. So to download the plugin, you can go to this releases and click on the latest release. And you can scroll down until you see these assets, and you can download this WordPress MCP Let's See file by just clicking on it. And once you downloaded it, you can go to the plugins section and add plugins. So then you need to upload the plugin, get that plugin from your download folder and drag it drop. Or just choose the plugin and click on install. Now the plugin is then activate the plugin. Okay. Then, now, the plugin is installed. Now, we have to go to the home page of this repository again. So I will link the repository in the description, and then you can go to this Cloud Desktop configuration. Today, we are going to configure this with Cloud Desktop, and also you can configure this with vs.code, or like any other local MCP-enabled platforms. So I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to open the Cloud Desktop applications. And you can open these settings by going to Cloud and Settings. And from there, you can go to the Developer section and click on this Edit Config file in under Local MCP Server section. So if I open this, you can see it's an empty file. Basically, there is no MCP server configured currently. So you can select all this code and paste with what? Papers with the code that we copied now. And we need to change two things here. First, we can remove this log file that's not necessary. And then, you need to go to your WordPress instance and copy your URL. Press it here, and then you need to generate a JWT token for the authentication. For that, you can go to Settings MCP. There. You can enable MCP and enable Create tool. Enable Update tool. Then if you want to, you can enable Delete tool. But there is a risk because AI can do unpredictable things. So it's always better to only enable Create an Update tool and leave this tool disabled. And for the authentication, you can go to the Authentication section and generate a JWT token. So first, you need to select a duration that, for how long this JWT token will be valid. So I'm going to select it as 1 day. If you want it to be longer, you can select it here. You can select it up to 30 days. But the shorter the better, because you need to keep refreshing this JWT token to ensure the security. So I'm going to keep it as just 1 day and click on the Generate token, and then you can copy this token. And then you can go back to the config file and paste this token here, and then save the file, and we can close this. And then you need to restart the Cloud Desktop application. So I'm going to restart the application. So if you go to the settings and under developers, you can see the WordPress MCP is installed here and all our configurations are here. To work with WordPress CV, you can open this. And on the tools, you can see the WordPress CP is enabled. And if you inspect the tool, you can see there are a lot of tools under that WordPress MCP, like searching for post, like getting single post, or adding post updating, post and searching users, adding tags, and like almost anything you can do it with, do it this. If you enable that delete options, it'll be there. Also for now, I'm not enabling that. But if you wish, you can. And next what you need to do is next we'll test this MCP. So I'm gonna say list latest posts in Google and Frank website. So you can allow it. And that's the full setup. Your WordPress site is now AI-powered with MCP. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.